Education isn't one size fits all, and it shouldn't be. That's the heart of Universal Design for Learning, or UDL. UDL is a framework for designing learning experiences that work for everyone, not just the average learner. It's about removing barriers, offering flexibility, and honoring diversity in how people learn. Rooted in neuroscience, UDL recognizes that learners differ in how they engage, how they process information, and how they express what they know. The UDL framework is built on three core principles. First, multiple means of engagement. This means offering different ways to spark interest, sustain effort, and motivate learners. Choice, relevance, collaboration, and emotional safety all matter here. Second, multiple means of representation. Present content in varied ways: text, visuals, audio, video, and hands-on examples. This helps learners access information in the format that works best for them. Third, multiple means of action and expression. Allow learners to show what they know in different ways: writing, speaking, building, drawing, or demonstrating. UDL helps adult learners by honoring their differences. Some need structure, others need freedom. Some thrive on visuals, others prefer words or experience. Instead of trying to find the perfect method, UDL invites us to design for variability from the start. It's proactive, not reactive. So how do you apply UDL in adult education? Start by knowing your learners. Ask questions, offer surveys. Design with flexibility and choice in mind. Next, review your content. Are you presenting information in multiple formats? Can learners access it at their own pace, in their own way? Then reimagine your assessments. Instead of only one test or task, allow learners to choose how they demonstrate learning. Different paths to the same goal. Also, build supports directly into the experience. Use tools like captions, transcripts, glossaries, and guided notes. Don't wait for learners to struggle. Design to prevent it. And finally, reflect and iterate. Ask, who is this working for? Who might be left out? What can I tweak to reach more people? Universal Design for Learning isn't about making things easier. It's about making learning possible for everyone. Because when we design with inclusion in mind, we don't just teach better. We make learning a place where all adults feel seen, supported, and set up to succeed.